What's up, everybody? Tobin here.
And Reed.
Top Pen Outdoors. I'm not used to saying the new name just yet. We're coming to you from the living room. We wanted to show you this before we go out and try it out. So Reed's been, we've all been getting more and more into she knows we're going somewhere and she's waiting on us. We've all been getting more into archery and bow hunting, and Reed's wanting to do some bow fishing. So Reed put together a really cheap DIY bow fishing rig. So what do you got?
So we just got this Tiger Shark Southwest Archery recurve bow. It's 35 pounds. This is not part of the budget. You gotta become equipped with one of these. You could use a compound bow, anything.
A kid bow, anything will work.
And then like just this little stabilizer that we found for free. About any stabilizer will work, and you don't have to like designate it to that. You can just tie it on there and then take it back off. And this reel, it was just out in our shop. It's pretty old, so we'll just say
it was free.
Yeah, we'll just say it's free. And then I bought this bow fishing arrow at an archery shop for $15, and you shouldn't be losing your arrows that often.
Nope.
And cut to the clip if I do lose my arrow.
To break?
Yep.
You didn't push a button earlier.
Yeah, I did.
And then you got, what else did you had to buy? A
$10 30 pound line, braided line.
Yeah, so we went with 30 pound. I think that's going to be enough, I hope. So total, if you've got an old bow, any kind of bow laying around, you know, we're not counting that in the cost. The reel, we had that laying around on an old fishing pole. We took it off. The stabilizer, same thing. You can also, if you go to Home Depot and get a bolt that actually bolts into your stabilizer, you can use a bolt as well. And we used zip ties on it.
You can use C-clamps.
You can use hose clamps.
Hose clamps, sorry.
Yeah, as well. So, but he's got about 25 bucks into this. It is blazing hot outside, and I don't know how good the bow fishing would be in the creek right now, but we're gonna run down the creek, and if nothing else, we're going to just shoot it in the water a few times to see how it does. There's a lot of safety factors involved in doing this, and
we'll go over that when we get there.
Good idea. We'll talk about it when we get there, but you definitely need to consider the safety involved in this. So we'll see y'all down at the creek. We'll shoot it a few times, if nothing else. Maybe see a fish and shoot at that as well, but we'll see y'all down there. All right, y'all, we're at the creek. Creek's right down this way. We're kind of eased over there to see if we see anything. Nothing yet. We have seen some pretty big carp in this creek before, but we have not got much rain and the water's not moving. So I want to talk to you about the safety on any kind of bow fishing bow. If you go to fire this arrow and it somehow does not come out, or it gets wrapped around it, that arrow could possibly go out of the bow and then come back at you and hit you in the face. So one thing we're gonna do is wear our sunglasses, and then we're just going to make sure this reel, see, like the button's not pushed and it still is feeding line out. So it shouldn't be an issue unless it gets tangled up. And we, just at the house before we left, we just kind of looked at it and decided how we're gonna put the arrow on there and pull it back, and I think we got a pretty good plan. So we're gonna ease up over here and see if we see anything that we can shoot at. We're only going for non-game fish like carp, gar, things like that. So maybe a perch.
If it's big.
And you got to account for what's it called? Refraction. I don't know how you say it, but you definitely have to aim underneath the fish.
There's a perch right there.
So because the fish is not where you think it is in the water. So, and we're gonna go very careful down this hill because Reed just tumbled down this one time before, a long time ago.
It wasn't just a tumble.
Seen a few little, you know, perch and stuff, but all right, you going down? Hey, go up this way.
Those are carp.
Those are carp. I'm almost 100% sure. Go slow. Aim way underneath them. You see them? That's a big one. Aim way underneath them. Don't get too close to the water. One will pop up here closer. They were right in the middle earlier.
I'm shaking. What?
Hey, they're like animals. They're gonna see you moving and hear us, okay? So just
I hit him. Oh. You see him?
yeah.
He didn't shoot fast enough.
It's up to you.
Shoot, that's it. I don't think he can shoot that far.
So Reed got a shot at a carp, which is a good thing. Honestly, didn't expect to even get a shot at one. There's at least 2 or 3 in here, and one was pretty good size. So we're figuring out his bow fishing setup, and feel like if we can get one on this side of the creek that pop up, I think we'll be in good shape. Where?
They're pretty far out. There's 2 right there.
Yeah, we don't want, I'd try to get one closer. That arrow is really heavy. It loses speed really fast.
That was a carp.
They might be up in that shallow water, I don't know. What is it?
Big old bass right there. Swimming that way.
Oh, I see him over there. You sure it's a bass?
It might be carp.
All right, y'all, on to spot number 2. And then we're gonna head back home. It is hot, but we'll try that other spot. Reed was just saying the other spot, he caught a gar there in the past. So, and there's definitely, I'm starting my truck, it's hot. There's definitely carp here, but we probably spooked them out for a little while. So we'll go check this next spot and see, but Reed's setup's working good. You happy with it?
Yes. Heat. Hot. I hit him. You hear that big pop?
Yeah.
Hitting his shell. I didn't really have big hopes for it going through.
All right, y'all, we're about to head back over to the first spot. We came home, cooled off. We've been here for a couple hours. We're gonna go back over there. Hopefully one of those carp will be, they didn't come back up the top while we were there. Probably spooked them a little bit. Hopefully they're calmed back we can catch one, come up to the top, and we can get a shot at it. So we're gonna head back over there and see if we can find them.
Definitely a lot brighter.
Sneaking in. Did you push the button? To break?
Yep.
You didn't push the button earlier.
Yeah, I did.
I saw you, you didn't. Well, Reed had been kind of messing with the reel and he pulled the bow back and messed with it, and I don't know what happened. I don't know if it got wrapped around something, or I think he didn't. He just forgot to push the button, but he shot and their line broke. So, and we can't see the arrow. It's too far out in the middle, so it's over for today. All right, y'all, we're heading home. Bree's not happy. He lost his arrow. He paid 15 bucks for it this week at the bow shop, so we'll get him another one. But that was fun. We'll hopefully pick up another arrow for him and be back here doing it soon. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see y'all again.